Haskins over the middle, and that one's intercepted by Œxoʟษ์. Haskins with a four-man rush, and it's intercepted, picked off by Malcolm Smith. The 49ers certainly capable as Haskins throws over the middle, and B.J. Goodson with a sliding interception.
Breaking news out of Washington, Kyle Allen was named the starting quarterback. 2019 first overall pick, Dwayne Haskins, he goes to the bench.
Sells the fake, pass to the time, and it's intercepted. Down to 5 seconds left. Haskins kicked off for the second time. Shotgun. Haskins steps up. Haskins didn't see the defense, and a fumble. And лекᴏ into the game.